Welcome to Final Touch Quarantine Napkin Folding. This one, we're going to do a fan. I'll turn it over to Mercedes and she'll give you the directions.
Alright. So you want to start with a nice big napkin. We use all cloth napkins here. So this in particular is Nova Scotia tartan. Shout out to us. And then you're going to fold it. And you're going to fold it into little tiny pieces, same as folding a paper fan or crawly snake or anything like that. And you're going to fold it about halfway. Then when you get to the halfway mark, you want to turn it upside down and fold it in half back to you. Okay, so that your fan folds are over here and this part is flat. Then you're going to take the rest of this and fold it away from you. This keeps all of the loose edges together when you're ready to put it on the plate. You get your plate ready. The rest of this folds under to create a stand-like creature for you. Then you put it on the plate. Just like that. And it creates a really nice fan look, especially for any of your guests. When they first come to sit down, that's what they see.
Beautiful.
Thank you.